Nabudulo kami din eh. Lalakad-lakad lang mo eh. Naharang, nabudol.
Take picture of the gates.
Later, I have an itinerary for that.
Okay. Okay. I will take picture here. Okay.
Liliit.
Thank you.
May field trip nila.
Tokyo Skytree, right?
Wow.
Yeah. The tallest tower in Japan. Tallest tower, like 634 meters high.
Yeah.
You gonna go up?
No.
No?
No.
Maybe not.
We have other plans for
Oh. Oh,
We'll go to Osaka next week.
Via night bus.
today?
No,
Monday.
Monday.
Because we have,
Monday. Okay.
yeah.
Uh-huh. So,
And
what
tomorrow.
are you guys going to do today? Just walking around around Asakusa?
Yes.
Yeah, ride on a rickshaw?
Shibuya. We'll go
Shibuya.
to Shibuya.
Nice, nice.
Yeah.
So, what are you gonna do? What are you going to? Yeah. Cherry blossom with a sky tree.
Oh.
Super beautiful. Nice, right? Hey, so speed pumping?
Diyan tayo.
Have you ever heard like big earthquake in Japan?
Yes.
Like 12
That you did.
tsunami, yeah.
Yeah.
Like 14 years ago. The recent one.
Yeah.
You know, this is like props. Like 14 years ago. They fixed it. Yeah. So at the time, like 2011. At the time, they actually Tokyo Skytree was built 2012. So that Tokyo Skytree survived at that big earthquake. Even the Tokyo so shaking. That Tokyo Skytree survived at the time. Even in construction.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There.
Uncompleted. Tokyo Skytree is number one.
That's why it's so famous.
Before we go inside the temple, we're down. Okay, then normally we walk on left side.
Yeah. We also with that.
The escalator. But Tokyo left side,
Yeah.
Osaka
Yeah.
right side.
Yeah. It's different.
So Osaka right side different. Sometimes we also confuse. Yeah.
Minsan daw nalilito din sila.
And when before we meet the God, okay, we wash our hands. Okay. You guys are so lucky, You enjoy the winter cherry blossom. That's also special cherry blossom. Nobody knows, especially foreign people know. Nobody cherry blossom. Cherry blossom is in spring, right?
Yeah.
But winter cherry blossom blooms in winter. Blooms in winter. And also you enjoy the right? Early cherry blossom. Yeah. I think. Hello?
Yes.
Diyos ko po. Kaya mo, Pakya.
Kaya nagali siya ng mga panglamig niya.
Oo. Pawisan niya. Maganda.
Parang nahihimat na siya.
Okay.
Ang itlog.
Yeah.
Kumabig yung kabayo.
I'm 29 years old,
Oh!
but I have still energy. Yeah,
You have a lot of energy.
yeah. I'm still young.
Yes.
Trust me. Okay. Hey. So, how many days do you stay here?
11.
11 days.
11 days?
Yeah.
Wow.
Today is our 5th day.
5th day. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So, where did you go in 5 days?
Second day, we went to Gala Yuzawa.
Garo Yuzawa.
Yes.
Yeah,
Oh.
for the snow because
Snow.
we don't see snow here in Tokyo.
Ah, yeah. You know, like last week. Yeah, there's only 2 days. We get a, heavy snow.
Oh,
Yeah.
here in Tokyo?
Yeah, here in Tokyo.
Huwag mo na siya
So
kausapin.
then,
Ako
I
yung
was
nakabawa sa kanya.
also like freezing. Yeah. So, but I had to do this job.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So,
Parang nakukonsensya naman.
it was so crazy. Okay, so now, let's go inside. Like, all the townscape, Sunrise Tree.
Wow. Wow.
See? Look, over there.
Yeah.
The samurai. Kind of samurai, So, that's that. Teeth. Then, classic opera. It's called kabuki.
Kabuki.
You know kabuki?
No.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
the old kabuki actors are men. They make up white like this.
Oh.
Make up white.
Yeah.
And do this. Yo! Kind of
Yeah.
like entertainment show.
Yes.
So these are like characters. よいしょ。すいません。先生、恐れ入ります。先生、恐れ入ります。すいません、恐れ入ります。ありがとうございます。すいません、恐れ入ります。先生、ありがとうございます。先生、ありがとうございます。すいません。Oh, look at that. That's the first one.
Oh. Wow.
Yeah. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's the Sensoji Temple, the oldest temple in Tokyo. I don't know, the biggest temple in Tokyo. That one, eh? Then,
Oh.
look at this.
Oh.
This is actually winter cherry blossom. Winter cherry blossom. It's not the early cherry blossom. I will show you later.
Wow.
More pink. This one blooms from the October, November. This blooms in winter season. So
The
that's why.
pink one is in winter. The pink color usually blooms in winter. Or just this one?
Like this color. I told you the cherry the bright pink cherry blossom. I told you it's more bright than this. Yeah.
Okay, try daw yung matcha pero parang sarcastic. Lasa.
Sarap. Sorry.
Explain mo nga.
Matcha.
Ano nga lasa?
Parang damo. Parang damo na mapait-pait na.
May tamis. Hindi naman siya sobrang tamis eh. Parang
Parang hindi.
saktong-sakto.
Mapait-pait.
May free taste doon kanina. Hindi nakatikim si Tep. Sarap. Wala na. Nilalakad nila, alok yun nung isa yung payat. Naka.
Beef?
Hindi.
Crackers?
Oo. Lamatcha. Ang sarap. Tapos pagkakain, ilalagay mo sa ganito mo, gaganyan mo. Tapos ganyan. Pagka nakain ka, gaganon ka. Ang dami nilang rules. Ginagawa mo? Facial? Nakakaganda yan. Ano? Ang ginagawa mo? Alam mo, kanina pa tayo ganyan ng ganyan. Magaganito kami. Ang number? 28. Hanap mo dito yung number 28. Ito. Ano? Nanalo? Number 28, Bad Fortune. Ano ibig sabihin niyan? Iwanan mo na yan dito. Isa pang tupi. Isa pang tupi. Okay, siya naman. Takot na takot sa Bad Fortune. Lan. Ano?
Number 10.
Tingin. Bo! Lucky number mo yung 10. Ikaw muna magbasa.
Number 10.
Sa'yo muna. Sarili mo muna. Ba, nakangiti, parang nanalo.
Number
Ano?
10 po, Best Fortune. Best Fortune.
Ito happiness. New hope that you will get treasures. You can find hope and the promise to just like it.
Se non ci sono, molto semplice. Allora, è il tempio, il santuario, sono gli stati. Così sono
Okay, naka-decide na po dito na lang po daw kakain. Kasi punuan sa iba at standing ovation. So dito may vacant seat pa. Yan. Oh. Ito yung mga fish. For two. Yeah. Tataas daw kami. Yun ang sabi. Yan. Ang daming vacant dito. Ito tayo.